Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some useful Windows key shortcuts for Windows 11. The first one is Windows key by itself. That opens the Start menu, and if you press it again, it'll close the Start menu. Next is Windows key A. That opens your volume, brightness, battery, and internet settings. Windows key B and Enter opens Show Hidden Icons. Windows key C opens Copilot Preview. Windows key D will minimize the current window you have open, and if you press it again, it'll open it again. Windows key E opens File Explorer to Home, and if you press it again, it'll open another File Explorer. Windows key F opens Feedback Hub. Windows key G opens the Xbox Game Bar. Windows key H opens Microsoft Speech Services. Windows key I opens Settings to Home. Windows key K opens Cast. Windows key L locks your computer. Windows key M minimizes the tab that you currently have open. Windows key N opens Notifications and Calendar. Windows key P opens Project. Windows key Q opens Recent. Windows key R opens Run. Windows key S opens Recent as well. Windows key T and Enter opens Microsoft Teams. Windows key U opens Settings to Accessibility. Windows key V opens Clipboard History. Windows key W opens the Widget Board. Windows key X opens a menu that says Installed Apps, Mobility Center, Power Options, Event Viewer, System, Device Manager, Network Connections, Disk Management, Computer Management, Terminal, Terminal Admin, Task Manager, Settings, File Explorer, Search, Run, Shutdown or Sign Out, and Desktop. Windows key 1 opens Microsoft Teams. Windows key 2 opens File Explorer to Home, and if I press it again, it'll minimize it. And if I press it one more time, it'll open it. Windows key 3 opens Microsoft Edge. Windows key 4 opens Microsoft Store. Windows key 5 opens HP Smart. Windows key 6 opens Neat Office. Windows key 7 opens Zoom. Windows key 8 opens Chrome. Windows key 9 opens Notepad and closes it. Now the only thing with Windows key 9 is for some reason it won't open Notepad if it's closed. So I'm going to close this and try and open it. As you can see, it doesn't do anything. So those were some useful Windows key keyboard shortcuts for Windows 11. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.